Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyaha yajnaha tapaha tadha danam tesham bhedam imam srunu. Om. Act according to the direction of the scripture. Understand analytically the food that you are eating, the sacrifices that you are doing, the austerities and the charities that you are doing, or what kind of mode of nature that it is in. Sri Krishna Paramatma, as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall act according to the direction of the scripture. I shall understand analytically the food that I eat, the sacrifice that I do, the austerities and the charities that I am involved in, are of what kind of mode of nature. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Devatas, Danavas uprooted the mountain Mandara and was bringing towards the Milky Ocean, but with the huge amount of heaviness of that mountain, they could not bring all the way to Ksheerasagaram. They left that mountain on their way itself. With that, Churnayamasa Mahata Bharena Kanakachalaha. Under that, so many Devatas and Danavas fell down and got killed. Then Vijnaya Bhagavams Tatra Babhuva Garudadhvajaha. Noticing all that, knowing everything, Paramatma came down over there, and with his very compassionate grace, vision, he again made all those who departed came back to alive. And also with Paramatma's divine blessings, everybody became normal. After that, Paramatma, with his one hand, he lifted that Mandara Parvatam, put that Parvatam mountain upon Garutman, and then he came all the way to Ksheerasagaram. Again he lifted that mountain and kept in that ocean. Then he sent Garutman back to his abode. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 7th sloka. Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyaha yajnastapastadhadanam tesham bhedamimam shrunu. Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyaha yajnastapastadhadanam tesham bhedamimam shrunu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.